a moplet!
It's you, the savior!
Yeah, that's us. Where is everyone?
It was awful. Everyone else got enslaved again, if you can believe it. Honestly, I think they like being enslaved.
Oh, shit. Okay, well, no guarantees we're gonna save them again, but where are they?
They're working at Screndel Labs now, just past the Mushroom Valley here. Just be careful. That place is freaky.
Thanks!
Hello? Did someone just come in? Sorry, I'm in the John. Hold on. Don't pass through here. I've got to make you sign some forms. Just one sec.
More G3! Let's glob it to him! You're drone for! Alright, Screndel Labs, dead ahead! Can we use that zip line to cross? So, what do you think Screndel Labs is like? I mean, like, I know a little bit. I mean, I heard a bit, so I kind of know. But I'm just making small talk right now. You know, I'm just trying to fill the dead air. It's really uncomfortable. I mean, don't get mad at me if what I'm saying isn't that interesting, because I'm doing my best here. You know.
Hello and welcome to Screndel Labs. Only authorized personnel are allowed beyond this point.
You gotta be kidding me. It's fucking Helen.
Oh, you're the bounty hunter who helped us out with all that paperwork and killed my boss, Krubus. We really appreciated that. But sorry, I need to let the G3 know that you're here. Just my job, nothing personal.
You're gonna set off the alarm.
Yep, I'm gonna set off the alarm. We've got an intruder. G3 are coming for you. Sorry, it's my job. And I don't care about you.
Oh shit, here they come. Hey, at least the elevators are working now.
Honestly,
Killing these weak fucks doesn't do anything for me. Nobody's gonna miss you. Fuck you, G3 scum. Who the hell would design an elevator like this? God damn, Bounty Hunter, nice. You're pretty good at elevator fights. How many of these assholes do they have? Be careful, don't fall. Good, one left G3. trespassing.
How's it been going so far?
How do their bodies even work?
What you got in mind?
Would you like to do the honors? We're going to try to show up those cocky nerds in the weapons lab by fusing this human with some other aliens. Just hit the button.
No, you know, I don't think we're qualified to make that decision.
Look, I can do it myself if you don't want to. I'm just trying to be nice.
Are you fucking kidding me?
That wasn't supposed to happen.
They died! What the fuck are you doing? Why'd you press the button, bounty hunter? Sheesh, whoever works here really needs to get their shit together. What a mess.
Hello, Jonathan. It's Dr. Gurgula. I've been asked to send you some of my findings on the human genome. It's only a small portion, and I doubt you'll even be able to comprehend what you're looking at. But I promised Garmantuous I'd provide them. And now please don't contact me again. I'm busy.
This Dr. Gurgula guy creeps me out. Oh God, are those Gatlians? I think I'm gonna be sick.
That hurts.
Wait, I think that one's alive.
Oh, hey! You look nice! My name's Creature. The bad guys did experiments on me and fucked me up real bad in basically every way you can imagine.
Holy shit, am I glad to see another Gatlian alive in here. Are there any others?
Oh my god, yes! There's so many! Oh, but unless you've been alive, then no!
These fucking G3 bastards!
Creature, we're taking on the cartel. You want in?
Oh, no. They take good care of me. Holding me against my will, cutting me open, doing experiments on me. Okay, you know what? Saying it out loud, I think they might actually be bad. I'm part of your team now.
Hell yeah! Welcome aboard, Creature. That's your name?
I guess so. Oh, hey, we're locked in, but that's fine. Don't freak out or anything. I can give birth to a bunch of little freaks and they can disable the door lock. It's fine. Ah, beautiful. Look how one of my little fuckers just saved us. Being a dad is the best feeling in the world. Then a few seconds later, when the mutant kid dies because it has a microscopic lifespan, that's not so good of a feeling, actually. But I'm numb to it. Oh yeah, that's one of my children. They die fast. Don't worry, it's easy to make more, and it feels good. God, I love them so much.
Aw, who are these cute critters?
This is our best human Fergal hybrid specimen. It may not be as cool as our subject in the weapons lab, but it's still rather beautiful, isn't it? We call it a furman, or maybe a Hergal. We haven't decided yet. Why am I telling you all this? You know, to be honest, it's because you look cool and a little bit badass, to be frank.
It's good. It's a good experiment that I think is actually just a dead human with a Fergal on top.
Who's the scientist here, me or you, huh?
Took you long enough to use me again? Jesus!
Not gonna let me take a break, huh?
All right, we're in. How was that? Was that helpful? Was it helpful that I gave birth to a lot of tiny guys really fast?
Who's that, baby?
Oh, friendly fire! Don't shoot me, shoot the bad guy! Will you look up pretty pictures there? Welcome me, kill.
How many of these guys have G3 even have? Hey, nice job! Fair warning, this room's pretty fucked up! See how they're fusing brain-dead Gatlians onto mercs? Yeah, you see it, sorry. Holy sh**. Oh, and if you keep piling my kids on top of a guy, they can do mind control shit. They can make a bad guy fight for us. Oh, shit. That mind control thing doesn't last very long. Sorry about that. I keep yelling at my kids to make it last longer, but they're shitheads. They do not listen. Hey, Brian, how you doing?
You think I'm gonna answer your questions? I would so shoot you right now if I wasn't strapped to this operating table.
All right, yeah, good riddance.
What the hell, man? Dude couldn't even defend himself.
Yeah, well, you know, that might be true, but you're all fucking bad.
Let's make him bleed.
We've got this. Maybe we should have left one alive, you know, as a warning or something. I'm not exactly sure how that works, but you know.
Fucking Sable.
There you are.
Great, now we gotta kill my favorite guy.
What do you want to get hit?
Bug-eyed little bastard.
You might want the ambulance stop the bullets.
Oops. No. Sorry, it didn't.
Eat my bullets.
We're getting really good at killing lots of G3. Oh, you're gonna save some humans with that thing Clug gave you, right?
Help us, please.
Do you have a way to rescue these humans? I'm new, so I don't know everything yet. Don't worry, humans. The heroes are here. We're not evil. Oh, cool. We rescued some... What's the people called again? Cubos? You're a very good little Cubo. Free, little Cubos!
You think you can just come down in here and fuck with me? You know who I am? I'm Jonathan fucking Screndel, a.k.a. the Hot Screndel brother. Up yours!
Oh, hey, Jonathan. I think we're gonna kill you.
Fucking coward! We let him slip away!
Jacob's real, it's not a hoax!
Listen here.
Creature, get us in there.
Let's do this.
That's Angela Screndel. Wanna kill him?
Oh, fuck! The bounty hunter's here!
Oh, Angela's leaving. I guess he's busy. Bye, Angela!
I fucking hate it when they heal.
I know what the afterlife
Jacob's real, it's not a hoax!
Never should have joined up with the bad guys. Alright, fine, they can send as many as they want, who cares?
How's it going for you?
Heads up, my trickle's ready!
I'm gonna teabag
You're weird, man.
You watching anything good in there?
I guess it's supposed to be porn, but it's like alien porn, so I don't know. I honestly have no idea what I'm watching. I mean, I was able to get off to it like after a while. Honestly, now I love it though. Not sure why they want me to jack off this much, but you know, I'm happy to do it. Like all the tentacles and the moving parts, I don't know, there's something really endearing about it. Yeah, I like it a lot actually. I mean, if I ever get out of here, I hope I can like bring this with me at least. I mean, I don't even think I could go back to normal porn after this.
Nice!
Oh, what the hell? What is this? What is this? Why is this in here? I'm trying to jack off. This is really distracting to me, but I'll still be able to do it. Trust me, I've been through a lot.
Go on, have a good life! I got a trick hole just waiting to be used.
You can't hide forever.
They regooed.
That's a stinger. That's a stinger. Goop me up real good.
Now let's eat! Or find the Screndel. Your choice! Hi, Angela. Hope you're having a good day.
You know we can see you, right?
No, you can't. Fuck off. Fuck you.
Oh, sorry. We can stop chasing you if you like.
Jesus Christ. Why are you still following me?
Oh, he really doesn't want us following you. Maybe we should just go grab lunch instead.
Next time, don't join the G3.
Yikes.
All right, that's it. There's no more running.
I wasn't running.
Yes, you were!
Whatever. Fuck you.
We gotta get him before they heal.
Huh? Oh, off the boss here anyway.
Hey, watch holes. Don't hit my tongue, huh? I gotta make out with the babes with the tongue, like the Fonz, you know? When the tongue starts going, it's a French kiss, and it's so great. Just don't hit the tongue, all right? I need to save that. The babes love my tongue. I don't want to brag, but they eat that shit up like it's a sample. You better run, because I'm almost ready to blow.
Another way!
Hey, look at me, I'm like Rocky. I'm like Rocky in the ring, and I'm a punching, and I'm a dodging, and a weaving. I used to like that Russian guy. Remember in part 4? That was my favorite.
Fucking got him.
Nope, I'm still alive.
Son of a bitch, with these fucking Screndels, it's like playing whack-a-mole. What the? Are you the one that's been causing a big hubbub around here? Fuck you.
Hello.
Son of a fucking bitch. God damn it, I can't believe this. I'm fighting a fucking bounty hunter here. I got one to do. Whoa. right. We got a secret form. Let's see you try to take on all three of us, you know, when we're connected.
Oh, that's so cool! I didn't know you could do that. You never showed me that before. That kind of makes me feel like proud, you know? Huh?
Feeling good, Bounty Hunter? Go for the kill!
Trick hole is ready.
Oh no! Jonathan!
You need my help? I'm here for whatever you need. I'm going to help you in any way I possibly can.
Why the hell are you guys in charge of a bunch of research labs? Are the three of you even scientists?
If you want to use my trick hole, feel free.
Sweezy! I'm just glad there's three of you. This way we get to experience the joy of murder 2 extra times.
The G3 doesn't stand a chance.
Get out of the way!
Time bubble's ready. Just say. Oh, fuck yes! Good work, Bounty Hunter! Oh, I'm so glad they're finally dead. They were so damn annoying.
Holy shit, I smell a corpse ready for carving! No, wait, 3 of them? Fucking hell, what a feast! Oh, alien biology, always. It's just fucked. It's just fucked, really. Good, delicious. Now let me dig into the last bro. Oh, fuck yes! 3 in one sitting! Each one more visually better than the last. You know what? I don't say this often, but I'm fully sated right now. I actually need a rest.
That went pretty well, dipshit. You're getting good at this. Let's take it home for a well-earned break. Ah, you killed the Screndel brothers and freed us again. Thank you. Thank you. Everyone else is too traumatized to talk right now. Sorry. We just keep getting captured over and over again, you know? It's a lot to take in. I'm still able to talk because I've been captured the most. I'm just kind of numb to it now. Means nothing to me anymore. Don't worry about us. We'll find our way home. We just need a minute to catch our breaths and recover from all the trauma. It's a lot of trauma, trust me. I'm an expert in being traumatized. Okay, seems like you want some kind of reward or something? Because we don't really have any rewards for you. We've been held prisoner for a bit and we don't really have anything, so, thank you? Is that enough? Ooh, actually, you know what? The trauma's catching up with me. I'm gonna need to dive deep inside my psyche for a bit and not talk anymore until my brain's all leveled out. I'm not gonna say anything anymore. None of us are. If that feels weird, remember, it's just because we're irreparably traumatized.
Turn in your bounty real quick. I've got some good news and some bad news.
Gary, I didn't mean to kill him.
It's all right, Jill. It's all so perfect.
Okay, come on over. Let me give you the news.
All right, what do you got for us, Gene?
All right. Which do you want first? The good news or the bad news? Okay. You want me to talk about something else? Like what? Shoes? Why? I have important information to share with you. I'm not just shooting the shit here for fun. Are you just trying to be annoying or mean? I mean, is this some kind of weird power move to try and teach me my place or something? Making me wait to tell you my important shit? Look, I'm not playing along. Christ, kid! Good news or bad news? Make it quick! All right. Here's the bad news. Lizzie's been gone for a while. It's probably nothing, and I'm obviously not actually worried or anything because I hate her. But, you might want to look into it, since she's your sister and all. Maybe check with Tweeg. He works at that space AppleBee's uptown. All right, well, I lied, kid. I don't have any good news. I was hoping you'd just ask for the bad news, and then you'd be so upset you'd forget to ask about the good news. I was trying to pull a fast one on you, and I failed. So, it's pretty embarrassing. Yeah, that's everything. I'll work on getting us some new bounty leads if you want to go look for Lizzie. And, I'm gonna see if I can fix up that busted Gatlian you saved.
Jesus, that is a lot to take in, Gene. Hey, Bounty Hunter, you mind if we leave the other Gatlians here with Gene and maybe we can go poke around for Lizzie and use that time to have a little chat with each other? You know, just you and me, our favorite people, our favorite, you and I, our best pals.
Me, just like it was meant to be. Just like old times, the two of us alone, needing each other. I love you.
Okay, listen. It's easy. Put the other
Gatlians down next to Gene, and let's get out of here, look for Lizzie, and have a chat.
Understand. There is no stop.
Oh, sure. We can use a little break. It's nice to stretch out a bit, you know? Take a little nappy poo.
Oh, yeah. Change the channel, Gene, to porn.
Have a good time, you two. We'll hold down the fort.
All right, Bounty Hunter, let's head to AppleBee's and let's find your sister. Look at us, just you and me again, you know, just like old times, like the dream team, you know? So AppleBee's, it's in the slums, which you probably knew that, so your suit can point us in the right direction. So you take the lead, Bounty Hunter. You know, we'll talk, we're gonna chat. It's gonna be good. It's all good. Don't worry about this. Don't get shooken up about this. There's no reason to be,
every time you walk by me. I just
don't feel weird or anything. I'm not trying, you know what I mean? Hey, listen, I'm sorry about being weird back there. It's just, well, there's something I need to tell you. Whew, this is hard. Just give me a second.
Broken leg guy still here. See you later.
Got this, Kenny. Come on. What are you doing? You're making it awkward. Oh boy. Okay, so that dying Gatlian that we saved, let's do it. Let's say we can fix him up and he, back alive. The thing is, okay, sorry. I'm just trying to figure out how to say this properly, or like communicate how we normally do, right? The Gatlian we saved, let's do it. He knows some things about me that the others don't know, and it's nothing too crazy, okay, no, it's bad. It's really bad. Sorry, I don't mean to be cryptic. I'm just, this is tough. This is really hard. I just don't want you to hate me. All right, we are we are heading to AppleBee's in the slums, and that's where we're going. I'm worried about your sister. You think Twig is working today?
Welcome to AppleBee's. Table for two, right this way.
Actually, we're wondering if someone named Twig is working today.
He didn't show up for his shift, sorry. Do you still want a table?
You know what? Maybe this is a good spot to talk. Yes, we will take a table.
Enjoy your meal. Your waiter will be with you shortly.
Thank you. Okay, listen, I'm sorry for making us sit here at AppleBee's. I know we're really focused on Lizzie, and that's kind of the important thing, but would you mind if I kind of got something off my chest here with you first? Whew, okay, thanks. It's gonna weigh me down if I don't say something. Okay, so you remember what happened on my home planet, Gatlians? It got taken over by the G3, like yours. All my people got enslaved. You remember that, right? You know all that, right? Sorry, of course you do. Well, what if it was kind of, just a little tiny bit entirely my fault? Okay, I can see you're at a loss for words. I know how it sounds. I'm not the only reason the G3 invaded Gatlians. I'm just the only reason they even knew about it in the first place.
Hey there, welcome to AppleBee's. I'm gonna be your waiter for the day. Can I get you started with one of our signature cocktails?
Not now, please. We're kind of busy here.
Okay, sure thing. I'm gonna go ahead and get that in for you.
Thank you. Okay, Bounty Hunter, so let me explain. Gatlians was isolated on the far edge of an asteroid belt. We were completely untouched by the greater interstellar civilization, just like your planet. But, I wanted out. I wanted to see the galaxy. I wanted to see what everything out there had to offer. That's when Rel Del Mar crashed his ship into our planet. He was this crazy smuggler. He'd been all over and he'd seen it all. And after I helped him fix his ship, he wanted me to be a part of his crew, And he took me with him.
And I'm back. Here we go. This is for you. All right, now what were you thinking for an appetizer?
I'm sorry. We're in the middle of something. Please.
Great, it's coming right up.
Oh, I don't know why I picked AppleBee's to tell you this, but where were we? Okay, oh, right. Obviously a guy like Rel, he had to deal with all kinds of shady customers, and well, that led us to the G3. And Garmantuous, he'd never seen an alien like me, a talking gun with endless firepower, and well, looking back, I see how stupid I was, I really do. But at the time, I couldn't tell, I was being taken advantage of. I was going nowhere. Everyone thought I was a fuck up, I just wanted to prove to everyone that I could do something,
Open up, here comes the appetizer train. Chicka 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 choo choo.
Thank you. I hope you like those.
Now you better be ready to order that main course. You betcha. I'm gonna get that order right to the cook.
Okay, thank you. So, I led the G3 right to Gatlians. Do you see where I'm going with this? We fought them off at first, but they came back with some super virus that damn near zombified everyone. A few of us were immune. We formed a rebellion. It was led by Let's Do It. He was my best friend, my mentor. He was one of the strongest Gatlians who ever lived, and I got him killed. In his dying moments, I told him everything, like I'm telling you now, about how I left Gatlians to pal around with a criminal, how I led Garmantuous and the G3 right to our planet, how I got everyone killed, except Let's Do It survived. Somehow, the G3 must have kept him alive to try to utilize his power. God, if we can really bring him back, do you see my problem, right? I'm gonna have to tell the other guns what I did, or else he'll tell them.
All right, I'm back. Hope those tummies are ready for some yummies. Bon appetit.
Dude, take a fucking hint. Can't you see we're in the middle of a thing here? Emotional thing. This is important baggage shit we're dealing with here. Take a hint and get out of here for a second.
Uh-oh, someone's feeling grumpy.
Oh, wonderful. Now, what the fuck is happening outside? Lizzie?
Don't follow us. Twig and I are in love, and we're going to travel the galaxy in his space RV.
Actually, this is moving kind of fast.
Now
Help me,
finish
please.
that sentence. We're in
Okay,
love.
we gotta get to them. Oh shit, yeah, I can't dine and dash. I love this place, don't want to get blacklisted. Oh fuck, okay, this changes shit, this is bad.
I'm here live in downtown Blim City where, as you can see, we have been invaded by violent and agitated G3 cartel forces. No one can say for sure why they're here.
We're here to kill you, bounty hunter!
Ah, okay. Well, there you have it. It looks like this is only a problem if you're that bounty hunter that they're trying to kill. I'm People Fuckerton, Blim City News. Stay safe out there.
Hey, so I've got some more bad news. You're doing such a good job with all the bounty hunting, right? You really were. So I made some new commercials with you in them to drum up more business. And well, let's just say they had your house's address, and now the G3 knows where we are. So they're attacking the house. So get back here quick, or they're gonna get me and the other guns. My bad.
Fucking, as if it couldn't get any worse. Would you stop fucking around? Gene could be in danger. Come on, keep up the pace. We have to get back to the house.
That's right, let's go, we're gonna hurry. Oh, yeah, I've been here the whole time, but don't worry, I'll keep your secret safe. I'm not a snitch.
Hey, what's going on, best buddy? Hey, just so you know, man, it looks like really upset with you.
Holy shit, they're fucking everywhere. Get to the house. Come on, we gotta get to the fucking...
Surprised to see me, bounty hunter? You fuck with the wrong crime syndicate. It's all over. Hand over the Gatlians you stole from us, and then let me kill you. Nice and easy. We know everything about you, and we still have two oh-so-special people who are very worried about you. Turn yourself in, and nobody has to get hurt.
Got it.
Hey, don't forget about us!
What's the plan?
Yeah, the warp's ready, but where can we go where the G3 won't follow?
I'll handle that. Can you pull off a Hennison maneuver mid-warp to juke them?
Can I what? Did you make that up? You mean scramble the warp?
Fine, yes, scramble the warp. Bounty hunter, bring me to the warp core. Listen carefully and enter these exact coordinates. 86135-10, capital G, lowercase x, dash W, capital both, C4, 5, 6, 7, C, capital, 5, 8, 9, 2, dash, 1, 7, 4, 2, 2, 2, 6, 5, 3, 4, 4.
Fuck these are long coordinates. This is why no one types space coordinates in manually.
Fuck it. 5, 5, 5. That's right. 4, 3, dash 2, 1, 1, 8, 7, 4.
Got it. Scramble time. And here we go. Fuck. That was close. I may be 230, but I don't want to die yet.
Are we? Did we make it?
Yeah, we're safe. Nobody on our tail, but, where are we? Am I missing something? I'm not picking up any signs of life out there.
Then we're in the right spot.
Kenny, where did you just take us?
It was the only safe place I could think of.
Careful. It's toxic out there. I set up an atmos bubble so you can breathe, so don't wander too far. Or do. What does it matter anymore?
Welcome to Gatlians, my home planet.
Jesus. I didn't realize it was this bad.
Fuck, there's nothing left.
This was our home?
Pretty soon Earth is gonna look like this too.
We have got to stop the G3. Bitch.
Sorry, nobody answered me. I asked if this was our home. Anyone?
How is it out there?
We don't want to talk about it.
That bad, huh? Well, don't get all depressed about it. We still got more guys out there to kill. Let's powwow real quick. Look, I hate to be pushy, but are you ready for your next bounty? You know what, kid? Maybe you should get some rest. Let's save the bounty hunting for tomorrow. Head on upstairs. I'll take care of things down here.
I hate to say it, but Gene's right. Let's get some shut-eye. We'll make this right starting tomorrow.
Strawberry lips cajoles.
Don't worry about your sister. I'm looking for her. I mean, don't get me wrong, she sucks and I hate her and I hope she dies, but, well, you seem pretty torn up about her. I'll make some calls and find her. I promise.
I am so learned in amorous art that when men I crush to my dreaded heart.
So, what kind of stuff did you do in here? Like, anything gross? You have to tell me. Like, seriously, come on. We're best friends now.
So bold,
All right, good night.
so shy, and
All right, you're finally up. Okay, let's get back to it, I guess, you know? I hope Gene has a lead on Lizzie. Let's go.
Yeah, look who finally decided to wake up. You know how late it is? Because I don't. There's no sun on this dead rock of a planet. By the way, I got you a little something. A new suit upgrade. Extra overshield. You're welcome. Let's get to business. I've got something you'll like. You can breathe easy. I'll get right to it. I tracked down Lizzie's biosignal.
Oh, that's great. So she's...
She's alive. Don't worry. But she's on the move. Probably on a ship, so we have to act fast or we'll lose her. If you're ready, just step through the portal door.